Hi everyone, I'm astrologer N Baksh and welcome back to Sitaru Ka Safar. This week from August 23rd to August 29, 2024, we'll explore how the stars are influencing your career, health, love life and family. I'm excited to share some valuable insights and tips that can help you navigate the week ahead. So let's dive in and see what the cosmos have in store for you. Let's move on to Leo and firstly we'll talk about the career and profession. This week, with the Sun and Mercury in your sign, you are likely to experience a surge in confidence and recognition. It is prime time to showcase your talents and take charge of projects. Your leadership qualities will be highlighted, making it a great period for advancing in your career. Keep your goals and focus and use your charisma to influence others positively. Financially, Venus in Leo brings a touch of luxury and comfort, but it is important to manage your spending wisely. Avoid extravagant purchases and focus on budgeting effectively. The alignment of Jupiter and Taurus suggests potential for growth, so consider opportunities for investments or savings that could pay off in the long run. In your personal life, this week will be warm and affectionate. The presence of Venus in your sign enhances romantic possibilities and family harmony. Spend quality time with loved ones and express your appreciation. Address any conflicts with kindness and use this time to strengthen your bonds with family and partners. Health wise, you may feel energetic and motivated to improve your fitness. Mars in Taurus supports sustained effort and resilience, making it a good week to start or continue a health regimen. Focus on balancing physical activity with relaxation to avoid burnout. Pay attention to any signs of stress and make time for self care. Here are some advices for you. Utilize your enhanced confidence and leadership skills in your career endeavors. Manage your finances with care, avoid unnecessary expenditures, cultivate strong and loving relationships through genuine communication and quality time. Prioritize your health by balancing activity with relaxation and addressing any stress. Let's move on to Virgo. Firstly, we'll talk about your career and profession. With the Sun and Mercury in Leo and Mars in Taurus, you may experience a boost in productivity and efficiency at work. It's a good week to tackle complex tasks and push forward with your professional goals. Your analytical skills will be sharp, allowing you to make well informed decisions. Collaborate with colleagues to maximize results. Financially, you should be cautious. While there might be opportunities for financial growth, Venus in Leo suggests a tendency for indulgent spending. Stick to a budget and avoid unnecessary expenses. Jupiter in Taurus supports gradual financial growth, so focus on long term investments and saving strategies. In your personal life, the focus will be on maintaining harmony and addressing any issues with care. Venus in Leo enhances relationships, making it a good time to show affection and appreciation to your loved ones. However, be mindful of overextending yourself emotionally. Balance is key to nurturing relationships effectively. Health wise, you may feel the need to focus on both physical and mental well being. With Saturn in Aquarius, it is a good time to establish or reinforce healthy routines. Ensure you are balancing work with adequate rest and relaxation. Avoid overworking and listen to your body needs. Here are some advices for you. Leverage your analytical skills and focus on productivity in your professional life. Manage your finances carefully and avoid impulsive purchases. Nurture your relationships with thoughtful gestures while maintaining emotional balance. Prioritize both physical and mental health by maintaining a balanced routine and addressing stress. Let's move on to Libra. Firstly, we'll talk about your career and professional life. The presence of the Sun and Mercury in Leo, along with Mars and Taurus, will bring a dynamic and energetic atmosphere to your work life. You may face significant challenges that require creative problem solving and leadership. Use this period to showcase your skills and take initiative in your professional projects. Collaboration will be beneficial. Financially, Jupiter and Taurus and Venus in Leo highlight opportunities for growth and expansion. However, be cautious of overspending as there might be a tendency to indulge. Focus on budgeting and plan for long term investments. It is a favorable time for financial planning and exploring new avenues of income. Relationships and family matters will be highlighted, with Venus and Leo enhancing your charm and attractiveness. This is a good week to strengthen bonds with loved ones and address any unresolved issues. Balance your personal and professional life to avoid conflicts at home. Open communication will be key to maintaining harmony. Your health may require attention, especially with Saturn in Aquarius affecting your routine. Ensure you are following a balanced diet and exercise regimen. Avoid neglecting your well being due to work pressures. Take time for relaxation and stress management to maintain overall health. Here are some advices for you. Embrace leadership opportunities in your career and be proactive in tackling challenges. Manage your finances wisely, avoiding unnecessary expenses while planning for the future. Strengthen your relationships with thoughtful gestures and clear communication. Maintain a balanced lifestyle to support both physical and mental health. Let's move on to Scorpio. Firstly, we'll discuss about your career and professional life. With the Sun in Leo and Mercury retrograde in Cancer, you may face some challenges or delays in your career. Communication issues or misunderstandings could arise. Focus on clarity and patience in your interactions. Mars and Taurus suggest that persistent efforts will eventually lead to progress. Use this time to reassess and strategize for long term goals. Financial stability may be under review with Jupiter in Taurus and Venus in Leo influencing your finances. There could be unexpected expenses or changes in your financial situation. Avoid risky investments and be cautious with spending. Focus on saving and budgeting to maintain financial health. Venus in Leo and the Moon in Pisces highlight emotional connections and family matters. You might experience heightened emotions or sensitivity in relationships. This is a good time to address any underlying issues and improve communication with loved ones. Strengthen bonds through sincere conversations and supportive actions. Health requires attention, especially with Saturn in Aquarius affecting your overall well being. Pay close attention to your mental and physical health. Avoid overexerting yourself and ensure you have a balanced routine. Incorporate relaxation techniques and maintain a healthy diet to manage stress and stay fit. Here are some advices for you. Navigate career challenges with patience and clear communication. Be cautious with your finances and avoid impulsive decisions. Focus on improving relationships through open and honest dialogue. Prioritize your health by maintaining balance and avoiding overstrain. Thanks for tuning into this week's Sitaru Ka Safar. I hope these insights for August 23rd to August 29th, 2024 help you make the most of the week ahead. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Do share your thoughts and questions in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. See you next time on Sitaru Ka Safar.